Hello, to turn on reading mode on Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll down and go into display and brightness. And from there we have to scroll down, and right there we have the reading mode, which basically is the blue light filter. And as we enable it, we have two modes to enable: the cycle, which achieves optimal comfort by adjusting colors automatically, and the classic, which switches to warmer colors to reduce amount of blue light. So let's enable this classic one and let's select it. Let's see what do we have here, and we can adjust the temperature of this color to colder and warmer. We can adjust the texture. Let's see what it is. I don't really know what it does. I don't see any difference actually, but alright. Right here we have the colors, and we can set the full colors, the light colors, and only black and white, as you can see. And we can restore to defaults, but there's this button to restore to defaults in case we want the default settings. And yeah, we can also enable the schedule to schedule time to turn reading mode on and off. And let's enable it, and here we have good night read, which is switching the reading mode after sunset automatically, and we can set ourselves the custom period to enable and disable the reading mode automatically. So yeah, basically that's it. Thank you for watching.